Creating a lead generation funnel. Once you start running Facebook ads for a while, you realize that, as awesome as they are, your Facebook ads are not enough for generating new leads, and that you need to optimize your plan. The good news is that we are here to help you out, so listen up. Step 1. Attract visitors. This step is a no-brainer, really, as we already showed you how to attract lots of visitors to your website the easy way. But here are some additional tips. For one, focus your message on your audience's needs and interests, on their problems, and the solutions that you offer to their problems through your products or services. Then narrow your creative message down to what people in your audience will gain by visiting your website. Or you can also tell your audience about the problems that they will face if they don't visit your website to find a solution. Both are powerful click drivers. Then target a broad audience with your ads. Step 2. Generate leads. Once you take people to your site through your ads, you have to capture them. And the best strategy will always be to use a lead magnet. Now, your ad copy will do half the job of telling your potential leads about the lead magnet on your site. So you'll need to add a clear call to action button on your ad by selecting an appropriate call to action on the call to action menu while setting up your ad. For example, if your lead magnet is an ebook, you should use the download call to action button on your ad. Yet the focus on this step should be on your lead magnet. Ebooks, webinars, giveaways, and reports are all great lead magnets. Step 3. Convert. Now that your most interested visitors have converted into leads, you can create a retargeting campaign to retarget visitors who have signed up to claim your lead magnet and create an ad with an offer for them. Now, to drive conversions such as sales through an ad, you should promote an offer that is hard to put down, such as a heavily discounted package. Step 4. Adopt promoters. To keep generating leads, you can create retargeting campaigns to reach the people that have spent money on your business to offer them a reward. Marketing studies have found that customers that receive rewards become loyal to the point of promoting the brand rewarding them. This will allow you to generate leads from people who have already converted to your business. Apply these strategies and you won't ever run out of leads again.